On the night of October 17, 2017, Hawaii's Pan-Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System 1 telescope saw something very strange in the sky. It was neither a star, nor a planet, nor an ordinary meteorite. It was one-eye Oumuamua. That is, for the first time in our solar system, an interstellar object was seen. Its strange cigar-like shape and its rapid exit from our solar system without any tail. Scientists were having a hard time digesting this. Its speed surprised the scientists the most. Was it an asteroid, a comet, or something else? This mysterious interstellar visitor challenged the boundaries of our solar system and us, the unknowns of the universe. Objects are those celestial bodies that are not bound by the gravity of our sun. After leaving other star systems, these wander through space for millions or even billions of years, and their journey eventually brings them toward our solar system. These are completely different from any object found in our vast solar system. So far, we have officially confirmed 3 such objects that have traveled through this infinite universe and passed by us. The first is one-eye Oumuamua. which we call CNUS 0108 and CNUS 2017-0309. We think that maybe they came from interstellar space, but we can't confirm that right now. All these objects that have come into our solar system make us think in many ways. They are here. In 2017, the Pan-Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System 1 telescope saw something that had never been seen before. But by the time we noticed it, it had already gone far away from us. But as it left, this object shook our entire scientific community. Its trajectory and speed made it certain that this object was definitely not from our solar system. It must be some interstellar object that came from somewhere else. And that's why it was named Oumuamua, which means the first messenger that has come from afar. Its long cigar-like shape surprised everyone because we Earthlings were seeing something like this for the first time. Without any coma or tail, we couldn't add it to the category of comets, because normal comets found in our solar system release gas and dust when they come near the sun. But Oumuamua didn't do anything like that. But after this, scientists were even more surprised when they found out that its speed kept increasing continuously. How is this possible? How can something accelerate while moving away from the sun? Even though we couldn't see anything that was propelling it, we still haven't found an exact answer to this. It moved so fast that we could only track it for a few days, and then it disappeared from our sight, leaving its mysteries unsolved as if it had never come at all. In 2019, an amateur astronomer, Gennady Borisov, was looking into space with his telescope just like he always did. But this time, he saw something unusual that shouldn't have been there. Objects in our solar system don't move as fast as this one was moving, and it entered our solar system in a very unusual way. The second interstellar visitor, 2I Borisov, was discovered. It was like a typical comet, showing a coma and a tail when it came near the sun. Its eccentricity was 3.6, which proved that it was not a part of our solar system. Borisov's color and structure were quite similar to the comets from our Oort cloud, which amazed the scientists. It made us wonder whether comets from other solar systems are just like our comets. Did planets there also form from the same material? Borisov showed us that maybe our solar system isn't as unique as we think it is. This universe is filled with countless planets where the conditions could be just like here, but the sad thing is that we couldn't find out where this comet actually came from or which star sent it our way. We had only confirmed 2 interstellar objects so far, but now this number has given us goosebumps. At first, it was named A11, PL, 3Z, and later 3I Atlas, but its full name is C2025N1 Atlas. This is the fastest and possibly the largest interstellar object so far. Its eccentricity left the scientists astonished. When it was observed, its velocity was 61 kilometers per second and it was moving towards the sun at a speed of 245,000 kilometers per hour. It will pass near Mars's orbit in October 2025 and in December it will be 270 million kilometers from Earth. Scientists are still questioning whether it is a complete comet. It might be somewhere between Borisov and Oumuamua. It is estimated that its size could range from 800 meters to 24 kilometers, which means it is many times larger than Oumuamua. According to scientists' calculations, this object came from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, possibly from the stellar disk of the Milky Way, where stars are scattered like a flat disk. Its inclination is about 175 degrees, which makes it even more mysterious. But why is this object so fast? And are there more such interstellar objects roaming outside our solar system? Can't we detect them any sooner? These are some of the questions that have arisen with the discovery of this new interstellar object. Apart from these, there are also some smaller objects that are believed to have an interstellar origin, but they have not been confirmed yet. CNUS 2014-01-08 was a 460 kilogram meteor. Scientists believe that this meteor probably came from interstellar space. CNUS 2017-0309, another meteoroid weighing 6.3 tons. It is suspected to be an interstellar object due to its high material strength and hyperbolic trajectory. Were these really interstellar, and have they always been coming into our solar system? Maybe we just never noticed them before. The biggest mystery of interstellar objects is their uncertain nature, their hyperbolic orbits, and an interstellar record. The braking velocity surprises us. After all, what is their composition? What is it that makes them so mysterious? Are these icy comets, rocky asteroids, or something we've never seen before? These speculations deepen their mysteries even further. These objects remind us of the infinite possibilities of this endless universe. Interstellar objects give us a glimpse of star systems that exist far away in this cosmos. Their structure and behavior tell us how other solar systems are actually formed. Are there comets and asteroids exactly like ours? The similarity of 2I Borisov definitely raised this question, while 3I Atlas, which is coming from the thick disk of the Milky Way, did the same. This can tell us about the ancient chemical structures of the galaxy. These objects can help us understand the dynamics of the Oort cloud and interstellar space. New telescopes like Vera-C, Rubin, and Observatory will help us discover more such objects, which will further enhance our understanding of our galaxy. Perhaps some of these may contain mysteries that could give us clues about extraterrestrial processes, which could completely change our science and understanding. But for that, it is very important to study these objects, and to understand these mysterious objects, we will need powerful telescopes. Like the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, and the recently started Vera C. Rubin Observatory. Apart from this, these can also be studied with space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. With its spectroscopic ability, it can tell us about their structure, like dust and gas. By studying their trajectory, we can pinpoint their origin, but there are still challenges. These objects leave our solar system so quickly that we don't have much time to study them. And as they move farther away, their brightness keeps decreasing even more. Like 3, I-Atlas will only be visible to us until September 2025, but then the sun's brightness will hide it behind itself. But we are working on some missions so that such objects can be studied up close. And European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor mission can study such comets up close in the future, so our science is progressing. But maybe the mysteries of this universe are so complex that we can't understand them, and maybe that's where we realize what it means to be human. We have come into this universe with certain limits, and maybe that's why we can't know everything about this universe. We can only know what the universe allows us to know. Well, 3i Atlas Oumuamua and Borisov remind us that our solar system is just a small part of this universe. These interstellar objects, which have been wandering among the stars for millions of years, have come to tell us stories from other worlds. Studying them not only takes us deep into the galaxies, but also raises the question, are we alone? Are these really alien spaceships that have set out in search of other civilizations? There are many questions in this human skull, but our limited scope makes us feel very small in front of this universe. What do you think? Be sure to tell us in the comments section. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. For more informative videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Friends, we will meet again soon with another new informative video like this. Until then, stay curious, be happy. Namaskar. Let's do it.